Okay, this is a quick video on how to stay motivated when you have a cleaning company or any business. This really goes for anybody in any business or any situation. How to stay motivated. Um, One way I usually stay motivated is, you see where I'm at right now? Yes, baby. I am at the park. So it's about 8:21 and I'm about to put on my headphones. I got my headphones right here. And put my headphones on, girl, and then I'm going to go running. Nah, I think I'm gonna walk. But this is one of the things that I do to stay motivated. And guess what? I don't feel like doing it either, okay? Because it's not like it's a sunny day, it's gloomy outside. People walking around, they got their jackets on, and it's not like it's a nice day outside. But the reason I'm doing it is because I need to stay motivated. I need to stay my energy going. Physical mastery is king, believe me. So these are the type of things that I do. I just do it even when I don't feel like doing it. I drive to the park and I just walk. just start walking. And it's a long walk around there. It's a long walk. And then when I get back to my car, I feel just a little bit more better because I was able to beat the devil saying, don't go, go to Waffle House, go to, go sit down, go lay down. You have these little voices in your head or whatever, but you have to beat that and be disciplined. So this is one of the ways that I feel a lot better when I come back to my car. I'm like, okay, I beat it. I did it. Okay, so exercise, that's one thing. And also listening to motivational speeches. There are tons of motivational speeches on YouTube. There's motivational music I like to listen to. Anything uplifting, if that's what I'm listening to while I'm doing my walk. So I'm killing two birds with one stone. One, you need to exercise. Two, you need to listen to something motivational while you're exercising. The third thing that I do to stay motivated is self-care. Okay, look good, right? So whenever I want to feel motivated, I'll just go and get my hair done and go to the nail salon and go set up a makeup appointment and go take some pictures and self-care. Look good. Looking good, feeling good is all a strategy. Okay, so that's a biggie for me. You ever felt down and out and depressed, and someone just pick you up and say, hey girl, let's go get our nails done, let's go get our feet done, let's go get our hair, you get your hair done and stuff like that, you automatically start feeling good when you look good. Okay, another thing is eating healthy. Okay, that's another part of self-care. But you wouldn't believe how much food plays a big part in motivation. Eating the wrong types of food will actually make you depressed, if you do your studies on certain foods. So I remember feeling down and I don't know why I'm so tired and I'm just not motivated, and then I'll think about what I ate. I mean, freak you, if you ate a sloppy hamburger or some greasy fries, and then you ate on some cookies or whatever, these little things, and then you, oh Lord forbid, you drink a Coca-Cola after that, so watch the things that you eat, watch the things that you drink, you consume, eating healthy. That's the way to stay motivated. Eat healthy. Okay. Okay. So the next thing that I had on my list here to stay motivated, it's very important that you surround yourself with motivated people. It should be a no-brainer, but a lot of times, you guys, you're having these conversations with people, these mindless conversations. See, I don't do the mindless conversations no more. If I'm talking to you on the phone and the conversation ain't going nowhere, I'm getting off the phone because I got better shit to do than to sit there and gossip or talk about stupid shit or mindless stuff that don't make no sense. You know, like, well, what are we talking about here? Not saying that we got to be talking about getting to the money all the time, which is always my favorite topic, but you're not going to waste my time on the phone talking about useless stuff like other people and all that. You know, when you reach a certain age in life, those conversations and stuff need to end quickly. Like, yeah, okay, bye. I got to go do a conference call. You know, but surround yourself with motivated people, because I remember it was a time when I was surrounded by a lot of negativity, you know, a lot of negative stuff, a lot of negative conversations, and that doesn't do anything for your motivation. So you get motivated by other people. So, you know, especially when you're surrounded by bosses, you know what I mean? You see them doing a certain thing and it makes you motivated and you want to jump out there and start doing it too. You know, so imagine if your whole circle is like that. Everybody's motivated and everybody's feeding off of each other. You know, I have people in my circle that get motivated off of stuff that I do, you know. So I get motivated off of stuff that they do. The motivation bounces off of each other. We just, you know, surround yourself with motivated people. Okay, that was 5. I'm going to give you a bonus, right? The next way you can stay motivated is being fearless. Just be fearless and do it. Just be fearless and do it. Don't think about it no more. Okay? This is a strategy that I learned and it works so good. I don't know if you guys notice. You might not even notice, right? But a lot of things that I do, I just jump out there and I do. I just do it. You know, when I started my channel, I just did it. I had no idea on which way I wanted to go with the channel or how I wanted to look or the direction I wanted to go. I didn't think about all that stuff. I made it a no-brainer. It was a no-brainer. I'm going to start the channel. Boom. When I started doing the podcast, which I still haven't launched, but I just jumped out there and I started interviewing people. You know what I mean? I just did it. I had to get a feel for it. I had to really, when I did it, I was practicing. You know, it's not like I'm a professional at this. You know, I had to jump out there and do it. You know, just to kind of get warm up to how to do this, because this is something I'm interested in doing. But my point is, I got started. Okay. So a lot of people was asking me like, well, I'm looking for the podcast on iTunes and da. Well, I didn't launch it yet. You know, we're still working on putting it together, but I didn't just sit on my ass and just not do nothing. I got started. So what you're seeing is me getting started, okay? So to let you know that it's coming. Okay? So once I get my RSS feeds up and I finalize everything and finally launch, then I will let everybody know. But my point is, be fearless, jump out there and just do it. And don't be afraid of failing, okay? Because y'all have heard my story. I've failed before, you know, and I probably got some more losses coming. But my whole thing is, I don't care. You know, if I get those losses, I learn from them and I keep it moving. Period. That's it. You live, you learn, you keep going. You only lose when you fall and you give up, and it's the end. You know what I mean? But that's my ways of staying motivated. I'm at the park now. You see the duckies. I'm about to get out here and get my run on. Oh God, it's not even it's such a gloomy day outside too, y'all. Stay motivated. I'm out.